It's that time again, the year comes round. Lights in the streets calm all around. Cards on the table, candles too. Simple moments shared with you.
Cold nights, warm cups, gentle cheer. Smiles feel easier this time of year. Nothing fancy, nothing new, just a quiet song to say to you.
Merry Christmas, warm and bright. Wishing you peace this Christmas night. Merry Christmas, calm and true. Sending Christmas wishes to you. No big words, no grand display, just kind thoughts sent your way. Merry Christmas, clear and light. May this season treat you right.
Windows glow with soft white light. Shops close early, streets feel right. Old songs play, familiar sound. Christmas feels easy when you slow down.
Years move fast, but this stays near. A pause we share every year. No need to rush, no need to prove. Just simple wishes sent to you. Merry Christmas, warm and bright. Wishing you peace this Christmas night. Merry Christmas, calm and true. Sending Christmas wishes to you. No long speeches, nothing deep, just good thoughts for you to keep. Merry Christmas, soft and clear. Hope it's a good one this year. Wherever you are,
Whatever you do,
this Christmas message comes to you. From one calm moment to another, Christmas wishes from one to another.
Merry Christmas, here we say. Hope you're doing fine today. Merry Christmas, near or far. Wishing comfort where you are.
No pressure, no perfect day, just friendly wishes sent your way. Merry Christmas through and through, a gentle hello.
Just for you.
So Merry Christmas once again, from this song to you, my friend. As the year turns something new.
Merry Christmas.